Hi, Charlie Cushane here. I'm doing another how-to video on my 2001 Ford F350 diesel with the old 7.3 liter diesel. The issue I got to tackle today is when I turn my defrost on. It comes and blows defrost, but when I turn it to any other setting, like blowing toward me or at the floor, it will not change direction of the airflow, so it's stuck. And what I've heard is when the vacuum system that controls it gets stuck, it always fails in the defrost mode. So mine's now stuck in the defrost mode. I can't get it to blow at me or at the feet. So I need to do some repairs to that. Let's take a closer look at it. Okay, now after talking to multiple people about this problem, they said it could be a couple of things. It could be the pump, or it could be something called a Pulse Vacuum Actuator. And that's this device right here. This is an electronic device that controls the vacuum that go either toward your vent deflector or your actual hubs of your truck to shift. And this is a Ford Part 600-402, as you see here, and it's actually called a Pulse Vacuum Actuator. And as you can see, it's held down with 2 screws and an electrical connector and 2 vacuum hoses. So I'm going to change this and hope it'll solve all my problems, because this is less expensive. It was only like $40. It's less expensive to change this than the pump. So we'll try this first and hopefully all my problems will go away. So let's get started. Okay, let's zoom in to get a closer look at this. There it is. And first thing you have to do is take this electrical connector off. You lift the tab and you pull. So that comes off. And then you pull the vacuum hoses off. And they look good and nice and soft and rubbery. That doesn't look like any kind of problem. So now I have to take off 2 screws. That side just slips off. So there's the old one. Let's put the new one in. There's the other side tightened. That's good. Now let's put the vacuum hose on. 2 of them. All right, push on all the way. And now the electrical connector. There we go. There. Now let's go see if my AC and vent blow all over, up, down, sideways. Okay, now it's time to start the truck. Perfect. Okay, now we will turn the vent on, blowing straight toward me. It's blowing straight toward me. Earlier when I did this today, it was blowing only at the, see, at the feet. It's blowing down at my feet. Perfect. Let's see if it's defrost. Yep, big time defrost. See, I changed it now. Oh yeah, it's blowing at my hand and down at my feet. Perfect. Problem solved.